Would your company benefit from communication training? Do you wonder if your budget can accommodate this training? Why is communication training important to the bottom line? These are just a few questions that I plan to answer in this video. My name is Jayne Latz, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, where I have been providing communication training to organizations just like yours for over 15 years. Communication is at the heart of building strong relationships in any business, and the financial industry is no exception. Financial companies must establish trust with their clients and their partners to build strong relationships that last. And the foundation of this trust is clear and effective communication. Clear communication is essential to ensure that clients and partners understand the financial products and services that are being offered to them. Effective communication helps financial companies collaborate with their partners and to be able to work together to achieve mutual goals. When teams communicate effectively, they can achieve those goals more efficiently and make informed decisions that benefit clients and partners. Clear communication helps financial companies to respond to feedback and adjust their strategies to meet the needs of their clients and partners. In conclusion, communication plays a vital role in building strong relationships with clients and partners in financial companies. By communicating clearly, financial companies can establish trust, collaborate more effectively, and respond to feedback that meets the needs of their clients and partners. I hope this video helps you to gain greater insight into just how important communication skill training is for your team in your institution. I'm Jayne Latz. Feel free to grab my information and reach out so that we can have a conversation about how we could work together to enhance your communication skills for your team.